Alright, so how about we speak about learning? How about we speak about something that everyone is here for? So let's talk about a key technique about learning, about skills that you can apply for learning. Well, we would say that the deeper your learning is, the more you will use it, remember it, and also get connected with it. So I'm changing to the next slide, as we're going to get a little bit of the concept, which means that we're going to talk a little bit about the psychology of learning. So we have 5 senses. So we're going to use the 5 senses in order to get this learning technique. So we have an expert in that topic, and it is Freud, and he says that when you use and relate the 5 senses to a learning, that's when you really got to know and get to feel and get to taste and get to smell what you're learning, what's the topic, and what do you want to learn. So I'm getting a topic here. Everyone here already, well, speak more than 2 languages, at least I would say. But how about I wonder if there is anyone here who tried to learn a new language but couldn't do it. I'm going to show this key technique now, and I would like you to think if you apply this technique while you are trying to master that language. So we'll talk a little bit about a motivational relevance, in which that's how you connect to what we're talking. So we connect to what we're talking because you're really motivated and because you like the subject. So how about we begin, changing to the next slide, about the adaptable mind. And the first thing and the main thing that we need to talk about now is curiosity. You get motivated by curiosity. And that explains where we want to go. We want to go to a deeper learning. And with this key technique, we'll get to a deeper learning. So moving to the next slide, you must visualize. So let's put an example here. So we need an example that it strengthens what we're talking about. So when we're learning a new language, you must see the word, how it's written. So visualizing is your seeing sense. And that's the first thing you need to do. You must visualize how it's written. Okay, so moving to the next slide. The second step, after seeing, you must hear. You see how it writes, you want to repeat, but you don't know how to repeat. So you hear how you can repeat. So you can see the word, you hear, and getting this attention to the small details is the second key concept. So when we move to the third step, which is touching, you must be able to write. So that's your next step. You're going to write. You saw, you heard, now you write the word. Okay? That is the third concept. So moving to the next slide, you must repeat, and that would be your taste. And then you can repeat. And finalizing, the next step, you need, after seeing the word, after you listen, after you write, and after you say, you are going to have an experience with it. And that experience means you need to create. You need to use your creativity by the need of writing and exploring that word in other ways. So that's it, guys. I'm here to help. Who has questions and more things about these techniques, let's talk a little bit more about this, how you can learn some other languages, and thank you.